We've got some great thunder going on at the moment. And as you can see, that was a little tiny flash of lightning. I don't know if that came out on the film. It's been so dry here, so dry for weeks and weeks and weeks. We've had like the odd spot of rain here and there, but literally just a dribble. And as you can see in the gazebo down there, it's starting to pool up in one little corner. But I'm so pleased we've got some rain coming. So what's the gazebo for? I've been having a massive clear out of the house because Mum is coming to live with me because she's not been well and she's not able to look after herself anymore. So life is changing quite dramatically. I've had a bit of a slow day today, not feeling my best and, worried about the future, but for now I'm happy with seeing the rain. Yeah, my kitty down there, I put some food down but they're not keen. However, we've got some rain, we've got some thunder. Can't even see the pepper pot, but I'm loving this. This is great. Sky is clearing a little in the distance. It always gets harder before it stops. otters.